Hello everyone, welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself Pradnya Utekar. In this video, I am going to learn you least square regression method, which is the topic of numerical and statistical method in FYT semester 2 subject. First we see what is least of linear square regression. After this section, you should be able to interpret the slope and y-intercept of a least square regression line. Use the least square regression line to predict y for a given x. Next one, calculate and interpret the residuals and their standard deviation. Explain the concept of least square. Determine the equation of a least square regression line using a variety of methods. Construct and interpret the residual plots to success whether a linear model is appropriate. Assess how well the least square regression line models the relationship between the two variables. This is our learning objective. Now, what is the regression line? Regression line means it is a straight line relationship between the two quantitative variables are common and easy to understand. A regression line summarizes the relationship between two variables but only in setting where one of the variables helps explain or predict the others. This graph shows how the regression line is predicted. This regression line predicts the price from miles driven. This is a straight line, means when our miles drive value increases, our price is also increases. Regression line is a line that describes how a response variable y changes as an exclamatory variables x changes. We often uses a regression line to predict the value of y for a given value of x. Suppose that y is a response variable plotted on the variable x and x is an exclamatory variable plotted on the horizontal axis. A regression line relating y to x has an equation of the form y is equal to a plus bx. In this equation, y cap reads y hat is the predicted value of the response variable y for a given value of the exclamatory variable x. B is the slope value, the amount by which y is predicted to change when x increases by 1 unit. A is a y-intercept value, the predicted value of y when x is 0. This is called as interpreting a regression line. A regression line is a model for the data such like density curve. The equations of a regression line gives a compact mathematical descriptions of what these models tells us about the relationship between the response variable y and the exclamatory variable x. Example, interpreting slope and the y-intercept. The equation of the regression line shown is price is equal to 38257 minus 0.1629 is the mile driven value. Now identify the slope and y-intercepts of the regression line. If you plot the graph for this problem, then you will see that when your mile drive value increases on the x value, your price is also increases in the y-intercept. Now example, interpreting slope and y-intercept. The slope of graphically b value is minus 0.1629. Tell us that the price used for f minus 150 is predicted to go down by 0.1629. dollars for each additional mile that the truck has an drive. The y-intercept value in the graph is A is equal to 38,257 is the predicted price of a Ford F minus 150 that has been drive 0 miles. Now what is the prediction? Prediction means we can use a regression line to predict the response y hat for a specific value of the exclamatory variables. Use the regression line to predict price for a Ford F minus 150 with 100,000 miles driven. Then price is equal to 38,257 minus 0.1629 miles driven. We get $21,967. Now extrapolation. Extrapolation means we can use the regression line to predict the responses y cap for a specific value of the exclamatory variable x. The accuracy of the predictions depends on how much the data scattered about the line. While we can substitute any value of x into the equation of the regression line, we must exercise cautions in making predictions outside the observed value of x. Extrapolation means it is actually the use of the regression line for predictions far outside the interval of values of the exclamatory variable x. It is used to obtain the line. Such predictions are often not accurate. This graph shows how the prediction is obtained. Means our vertical deviations from the line is shown, data point is shown, and regression line is y hat is equal to 38,257 minus 0.1629x. In most cases, no line will pass exactly through all the points. In a scatter plot, a good regression line makes the vertical distance of the points from the line as small as possible. A residual is the difference between the observed value of the response variable and the value predicted by the regression line. Means residual is equal to observed value y minus the predicted value y. That is, residual is equal to y minus y cap or y hat. Next one is least square regression line. Different regression line produce the different residuals. The regression line we want is the one that minimizes the sum of the square residuals. Means the least square regression line of y on x is the line that makes the sum of square residuals as small as possible. A residual plot means a residual plot is a scatter plot of residuals value against the exclamatory value. Residual plot help us access how well a regression line fits the data. This is called as a residual plot value. One of the first principle of data analysis is to look for an overall pattern and for streaking departure from the pattern. A regression line describes the overall patterns of a linear relationship between the two variables. We see departure from this pattern by looking at the residual parts in the graph. This graph shows the residual plot of the example. This graph is an examining the residual plots. Means residual plot magnifies the deviations of the points from the line, making it easier to see unusual observations and pattern. The residual plot should show no obvious pattern. The residual should be relatively small in size. This graph is shows, second one graph is shows also the examined residual parts. That is pattern in residuals linear model not appropriate. Next one is, if we use the least square regression line to predict the value of response variable y from an exclamatory variable x, the standard deviations of the residuals is given by s is equal to square root of summation of residual square divided by n minus 2 value, or you can use square root of summation yi minus y cap divided by n minus 2. This value gives the appropriate size of a typical predictions error. Means this is called as a residuals value S. Standard deviations of the residuals. To access how well the line fits all the data, we need to consider all the residuals value for each observation, not just one. Using these residuals, you can use or estimate the typical predictions error when using the least square regression line. Now, what is the summary of this lesson? In these sections, we learn how to interpret the slope and y-intercepts of a least square regression line. Use the least square regression line to predict y of a given x. Next one, how to calculate and interpret the residuals. Explain the concepts of least square. Determine the equation of the least square and construct and interpret the residuals plot to access whether a linear model is appropriate. Access how well the least square regression line models the relationship between the two variables, and describe how the slope, y-intercept, standard deviations of the residuals and R-square are influenced by outliers. Thank you students. In the next video, I am going to learn you Gauss-Jordan method and Gaussian elimination method.